Hello, welcome to Nail Brag. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these really cool, really easy rose Sharpie nails. So to make these nails, you're going to need some Sharpie markers, of course. These are fine point and you can buy them in a pack. So to make our rose, I'm starting with a dark red marker and going around and making C shapes around in the circle, starting from the center of the nail. So just go around making little C shapes or parentheses, and they don't have to be perfect. And you can fill in the center a little bit if you need to, until you're happy with your rose shape. And then you're going to take your lighter color, which is a light pink, and start filling in your rose. It's kind of fun, like an adult coloring book or something. Have you guys ever used one of those? I got a Ryan Gosling coloring book for Christmas one year. It was pretty great. Anyway, so when you're done coloring that in, you're going to take your green marker and create the leaves, and then fill them in with your light green marker. Then all that's left is to add a quick dry top coat, and you're done. You have a pretty rose nail. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to give it a like and subscribe for more. Bye.